Excuse me, Your Honor?
Yes.
I'm sorry. She'd like to ask something if the interpreter
course.
gets back on.
Of course. What is your question?
Claro que sí, ¿cuál es su pregunta?
Sí, yo quiero preguntarle si pudiera ser posible que la manden obligatoriamente a un programa de rehabilitación.
I would like to ask you whether it would be possible for you to send her, require her to attend a rehabilitation program.
So I can't order anything, but you can speak to the state attorney's office and they can discuss that with her attorney and try and have the next judge order that.
Bien, yo no puedo ordenar nada, pero usted podría hablar con la fiscalía para que el próximo juez ordene esto.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, who is here now? Is this Miss?
This is Louisa Kurtz. We have a French interpreter and a private attorney.
I wasn't aware. I finished the ladies. What are you talking about?
That's why we passed for a French interpreter, Judge.
I passed for a Persian interpreter.
And French interpreter.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Today's the Middle East, I guess, like Europe and
Should we get off the call?
yeah.
Okay,
She's here to leave.
Thank you very much.
Right, Louisa
Keep your phone
Kurtz.
on.
Is that Bill Brady's here?
Yes, she's joining now.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for one count of child neglect.
On vous a arrêté avec un compte de négligence des enfants. Bonjour.
Oh, Madam Miss Collins, have you been sworn in today?
No, no.
Or you will translate from English to French and French to English to the best of your abilities, if so state I do.
I do.
Thank you. Okay, your attorney is here. Hi, Mr. Brady. Long time no see.
Hello, Your Honor. Great to see you. Your Honor, I represent Ms. Kurtz in a family law dispute, a family law case that's pending right now. I'm not intending on representing her in this criminal matter, but I was concerned, so I logged on to, where I was in touch with the bondsman to bond around. We were waiting for this hearing and just hoping that that would happen today.
How old is the child? I have his initials, I guess it's CH, but we're going to need the full name.
He's 14, I believe. Ms. Kurtz, are you there?
Madame Kurtz, est-ce que vous êtes là? Votre avocat veut vous parler.
Oui, il a 14 ans et demi.
He's 14 and a half.
What are his initials for this for modified stayaway order, I guess?
Quelles sont ses initiales?
Stay, you're gonna have to call it over.
I don't know the child's name.
And I can't do it. The child's walking home alone, walking away from a hotel alone. He was disheveled. And he said his father wasn't at the hotel.
Need the child's name.
The child was also hungry, had not eaten. His mother had not given him his medication for 2 months. Those are the allegations. So, you want to interpret that?
Les allégations sont que l'enfant avait quitté un hôtel, son papa n'était pas dans l'hôtel, il avait faim, il était mal nourri, sa maman ne lui avait pas donné ses médicaments depuis 2 mois, ses vêtements étaient tout à fait défaits, et il marchait tout seul.
So, Miss F, I can't do a stay-away order in front of the child's name.
Mr. Brady, do you have it? Can you just...
Yes, ma'am. Sincere, the child's name, please. We'll work a little faster.
Miss Gloria, I'm going in your office to represent the mother, just so we're clear.
Okay.
You have the name for the child?
Yes, Judge. I will, you want me to email it to Ms. F or?
Yeah, email it or say it out loud, it doesn't matter. Anyway, that being said, ma'am,
I
I'm
can say it
gonna...
out loud if you want.
You want to say that out loud? I'll just do the initials.
First name is Ryan. Last name is J.
I got that here in the A form.
Oh, okay.
One second. All right, so ma'am, I'm going to enter what's called a modified stay-away order. You're allowed to have only supervised contact with your child whose initials are RA.
Madame, je vais vous donner un ordre de changement. Vous pouvez avoir contact avec votre enfant uniquement supervisé, sans supervision vous ne pouvez pas, et ses initiales sont RA.
You cannot be I did also the child's date of birth.
Et la date de naissance de l'enfant, qu'est-ce que c'est?
You cannot be physically threatening or violent towards a child in any manner whatsoever.
Et vous ne pouvez pas menacer l'enfant de quelque manière que ce soit.
Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
Vous ne pouvez pas faire d'activité criminelle et vous ne pouvez pas posséder ou utiliser des drogues illégales.
And also, do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition.
Et vous ne pouvez pas utiliser, acheter, utiliser des armes à feu, des munitions.
And you must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and follow receipt with the court.
Et vous devez aussi rendre au bureau de police toutes les armes et les munitions que vous avez avec le permis de porter des armes. Au bureau de police directement.
In the event there is an open case in Dependency Court regarding the same set of facts and events as this case.
Et s'il y a un autre cas dans la cour de dépendance,
That any and all orders entered in Dependency Court regarding your contact, visitation, and custody shall supersede or replace this court's order.
et tous les ordres qui ont été donnés par la cour de dépendance remplaceront les ordres que cette cour-ci vous a donnés.
Do you understand this modified stay-away order for only supervised contact with the child subject to any orders of Dependency Court or Family Court?
Est-ce que vous avez compris que vous pouvez avoir uniquement des contacts avec l'enfant en étant supervisé et en sachant que la cour de dépendance aurait probablement des ordres différents de moi? Vous avez compris? Yes.
Also, I need the child's date of birth just for my order state.
Ms. Corey, you have it?
Yes, what's the date of birth?
La date de naissance de l'enfant?
September 30, 2010.
Thank you. All right, there's probable cause for the charge, pre-trial services, alternate bond, $2,500. Have a good day.
Bonne journée, c'est $2,500.
That being said, nice to see you, Mr. Brady. You know who else is here to say hello to you?
Who's that?
My dear friend, Judge David Young, who's now taking over for me.
Hey, Judge Young, how are you?
Nice to see you.
Oh, great to see you too.
Good to see you at the football games, Mr. Brady, right?
Oh, I'll see you there.
Yeah, tailgating.
For good or for bad.
Yeah. All right. So I'm departing. Judge Young is kind enough to take over. I have one reset here. Thank you, Ms. Collins.
Judge
Your
Young.
person.
Are you going to be this afternoon?
No, Judge Young is.
I'll be here.
Oh, okay, because the ASA is going to stop by. Maybe Judge Young will speak with them.
Oh, you're better off. They're going to have new ASA stopping by they're doing a training, and I'm sure they're in better hands with Judge Young.
I doubt that.
Also,
Maybe a new TV star.
You're the one and only David Young. So I have one here, reset for Persian interpreter. Ms. Collins, you don't speak Persian by any chance, do you?
No, unfortunately, no.
You're free to go. I say au revoir.
Au revoir, madame. Au revoir. Au revoir.
All right. Thank you, guys. I'll see you next week.
Have a good weekend.
That hearing had a little bit of everything. Judge Mindy S. Glazer presided over the case of Louisa Kurtz, who faced a child neglect charge. And while the legal framework was routine, the practical questions of family supervision and overlapping courts made it more complex, required a French interpreter, and private attorney Bill Brady appeared. Though he clarified he was there mainly because of a pending family law matter, not to represent Kurtz in the criminal case. Judge Glazer worked carefully through the facts. Reports allege Kurtz's 14-year-old child had been found walking away from a hotel alone, disheveled, hungry, and without medication for 2 months. Before any bond or conditions could be set, the judge pressed for the child's name and date of birth to ensure the stay-away order could be properly tailored. Brady eventually provided them, and Judge Glazer entered a modified stay-away order. Kurtz was allowed only supervised contact with her child, could not threaten or be violent in any way, and was barred from using drugs or possessing weapons. She also ordered the immediate surrender of any firearms or ammunition, and clarified that if Dependency or Family Court had already issued orders, those would override her own. Kurtz herself, appearing respectful but subdued, confirmed she understood, while the interpreter made sure the record was clear in both languages. A brief moment of levity came at the close, when Judge Glazer greeted Brady warmly and then introduced Judge David Young, who was taking over the docket. The two judges exchanged friendly remarks, joking about seeing each other at football games, and the atmosphere lightened after an otherwise serious discussion. The courtroom tone overall was calm but layered, a judge balancing legal procedure with the realities of family court, a defense attorney acting more as a bridge than an advocate, and a defendant navigating the process through an interpreter. Judge Glazer showed her typical mix of precision and humanity, making sure the child's safety came first, while still ensuring Kurtz's rights were explained and preserved. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one,